Yo, what's up, guys? As you can see, we had boxing this morning. Right now, I'm headed to Tasca, Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram to get my Jeep's first oil change. I've had this Jeep a couple months, and I already put like 8,000 miles on it, so I'm a little past the service point. Should have got it done at like 7,000, but the dealership was backed up, so it's the first day I can get an appointment. And could have went somewhere else, but with the Jeep, I got a bunch of free oil changes, so I'm gonna take advantage of them, and plus get my tires rotated and stuff like that. Yeah. So, also, this past weekend I went to the Patriots game. I was gonna, film a whole video and whatnot, but I had too much fun. I got wrapped up in the day. The Patriots lost. It was a good close game. We lost due to some turnovers, but it was good, man. It felt good to be back in that atmosphere, Gillette Stadium, with the tailgating and all that stuff. Got together with some friends. Ate some good food, chilled, drank a lot, and had a good time. I'll play a couple of those clips right now.
Well, it's almost like you kind of know, like, what's the worst and what's the best.
Hold on. Ah! Yeah, there's gonna be no bail left in that thing.
I'm getting out of the way.
Everybody stop.
What? Like someone put the thing out. I got no fingernails. Wait a minute. No. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
Who's gonna win? I think Jimmy sucks the most, so he'll probably drink it all. Nope.
I know what it's
So yeah, man, we had a really good time at the game. I'll be back there in 2 weeks when they play the Saints, the next home game. I'm trying to pull them to the dealership now. Damn, we got cops running over here. What the hell? I don't know what's going on right now. Oh my God. I don't know what's going on right now. The cops are just sprinting all over the place. So, I don't want to get in their way. This is crazy. Just try to stay out of their way, so I don't know if they're coming in out here or what. But in a second here, I'll turn around and go about my day. That's crazy. Wow. Yeah, I don't know what's going on, guys. I don't know what is going on. There's definitely a heavy police presence. Hopefully everybody's okay. Hopefully everybody's all right. Damn, that's crazy. Look. Still coming. Get out the way. Hopefully everybody's okay. I don't know what the hell's going on over there. Wow. That's pretty wild. Yeah, I don't know what's going on, but where can I park? I don't know where I'm supposed to park for service over here. This will be good. Yeah, that was crazy. I don't know what the hell's going on over there. Something serious, man. Kind of got caught in the middle of it. But yeah, anyway. Yeah, the pictures game was fun. I just got here to the dealership. Get this oil change, see what they say. I'm also going to scope the lot, see if they got any Hellcats, Trackhawks, any of that type of stuff. But yeah, thanks for subscribing. If you haven't already, please subscribe. Hit the like button. I appreciate it. It helps the channel grow tremendously. We're growing at a pretty good rate, so let's keep it going. And I'm going to go in there, see what's going on. And I'll catch up with you guys in a minute. What's up, guys? So I found out what happened. Somebody left their car running at the Shell gas station up the street. And someone else jumped in and stole it, took off, tried to cut through Kia or something, crashed into a car, jumped out of the car and ran, and that's when the cops and everything came. So I think they called them. They're right here now with the ambulance and a bunch of police cruisers. I think they got the people. That's crazy. Over here at the dealership, we got a nice Trackhawk here for sale. $86,500 for it. Locked, can't get in it. Nice, not bad. I wonder what year it is. Oh, 2018. 2018 Trackhawk. A bunch of Jeeps and stuff. Bunch of Jeeps. Looks like they got a Hellcat. Is it? Yeah. Nice. 61.5 for this. To 16. Another Hellcat. Two Hellcats right here. Oh, it's got the red leather. Top level. And they got the sunroof. Yeah, they want $70,000 for this one. $70,000. That's crazy. So it's a 19. Finally leaving the dealership. Took them 2 hours for the oil change and the tire rotation, but it is what it is. It comes with it, I guess. But at least it was free. I didn't have to pay for it, so it's cool. I'll take it. I'm gonna end the video here. Make sure you like, subscribe, all that stuff. I appreciate it. And yeah, man, keep doing what you want to do. Believe in yourself. Take risks. All that good stuff. Read some books. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.